It was clear, sunny, 85 3 days ago. Mother Nature was drunk.
Oh geez, I can smell the rubber.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching Backwards Garage, and the next episode is the 350Z along with a little bit of the Nova. We are going to get the alignment done. As you've seen in the last video, the camber is still way out on this thing, along with towed in significantly. So I got my buddy Riley. He's actually coming over to help with this alignment. We're gonna do it in the garage. We're gonna show you a little bit of footage there on how to do that, and then also get some of the Nova stuff done. Hoping to get the inner and outer tie rods on. Cameron's not feeling too well today, so that's why he's not here, but he will be in this video when we get to the Nova. And one other thing too, I want to show you guys, we actually just got these made up. We actually made these ourselves, my wife and I, Emma. So crew necks, t-shirts, sweatshirts are going to be coming soon. We're working out a few details and pricing, so stay tuned for that stuff. But right now, let's go ahead and get right to this 350Z. So this wheel was at about 5 degrees negative camber, and so we're going to be adjusting that. And with this kit, right here, there are 3, I'll call them set screws. You got to loosen them, and then this black big piece right here, this will push it in and out for camber, and it's on both sides, as you can see. If I can get in there, right up here. So we're gonna unloosen up all these screws, loosen this, and push it out. Alrighty guys, so courtesy of Riley, he helped me do this alignment here, did a redneck alignment for the redneck car. We made a box. So take the string, go all the way around the car, front to back, and you measure from the wheel to the string on all tires, making sure they're squared. So we did that on all 4 sides, and then from here, you can essentially, in theory, just adjust toe by measuring from the tire to the string and squaring things up. We went a smidge out, right Riley? Yeah, went a smidge out, so we're towed out a little bit just to get a smidge more angle. It's not gonna do much, but it'll do something. So in theory, should be ready for a test drive. Dude, you get the heart racing, the adrenaline going.
It's fun. It's a lot of fun.
Oh, that's not good. But that did pull it really good. Alrighty guys, so we took the test drive, as you can see, and I just want to show you what happened here. This looks amazing. You can see, little towed out, just a smidge. We did that just for a little extra angle. And the camber looks so much better now. It's not 5 degrees like it was before. Drove like a dream, super nice. The one thing with this is the tire's full lock going slow. It kind of skids like back and forth like a little bit, so little weird, but that's just because the angle and the lock and whatnot, it's just so much further out than what it is supposed to be. So all in all, now that we have everything figured out on this kit, I'm very happy with it. I think overall It was a fairly easy install. Could have been better if there would have been a little bit of instructions with like the upper control arms, that whole situation. But now they got everything figured out. Honestly, I was going to take it to the shop for alignment, but shout out to Riley. Honestly, I think it was perfect. I don't even think we need to go to the shop. So all in all, really happy with this kit. Alrighty guys, so it's actually the next day here, and I am actually on my way to Black River Falls. It's about 45 minutes away from where we are here, and just really good deal came up on a racing seat. I've been looking for one for a little bit now. A lot of them were, I mean, I was looking and they're like $400, something like that for a good one. And you know, with this being a budget build, my goal is to try and find something that was not maybe like brand new but still in really good shape. And so we are on our way to check out this seat. If it's nice and what the pictures look like, it's actually going to be a pretty cool seat, so stay tuned. Just picked it up. It is a nice seat. This is a Corbeau FX1 seat. Also got a bracket with it. This is a universal bracket. It was out of a Mustang, but I'm thinking maybe we can make it work for the 350Z. We'll have to wait and see. But looks pretty nice. I mean, for 150 bucks, it was kind of a no-brainer just to test it out. So we're gonna head back to the garage right now, and we're gonna start test fitting this, see if it fits. Last night, tried to grind. As you can see, I was grinding and trying to weld and all that. Didn't work out. I was using the Harbor Freight Special Welder Flux Core. Don't recommend it, but wish I would have got a little more footage. It was kind of tricky here, but as you can see, the seat is in, and let me tell you guys, this thing looks good. I had to go to my buddy's shop. He had to help me with some welding again, because of course, like I said, that Harbor Freight welder was just trash, and you know what, to be expected. So I figured for my safety, considering it's a seat, I should probably have good welds. So went there, he helped me out this morning. Shout out to Josh again. BD Automotive and Restoration came through, saved the day. So that seat is installed. Let me show you guys right here, kind of the layout now. It is looking good with that e-brake, that grip royal, and then that racing seat. Next is going to be a harness bar, and then as you can see, I want to show you one other thing that we did yesterday night. Give me 1 second here. Some people might roast me, but gutted the back of the Z. I am all about functionality. I want to have a car, if something is going on, I can get to it right away. That's just me personally. So I gutted that. So we're gonna have a harness bar somewhere. I know it mounts to on the sides and whatnot. So we're gonna have a harness bar, and then I'm thinking I might actually run some other bars for a half roll cage. So gonna do that, and then I need to get harnesses as well. And then I'm also gonna be getting some bash bars next, guys. So that is coming soon, stay tuned. As far as this video though goes, it's gonna be a wrap. Cameron's parts didn't come in for the Nova, so unfortunately that just didn't work out. Hate to be the bearer of bad news, but next video I'm really hoping we can get the Nova out, get that thing driving, and hear that for you. So with all that being said, thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you on the next Backwards Garage episode. Peace.